Generative design and engineering ethics. Let's talk about the intersection of those two next. Okay, so generative design and engineering ethics. Let's talk about how they intersect. Generative design offers a ton of capabilities to automate and explore and discover new design options, right? I think we've all seen that, whether it's topology optimization, which is removing material that isn't carrying load, or you're looking at biomimicry, which is coming up with entirely new structures that humans might never have considered. Lots of opportunity there. And, there's been some discussion about how that can help with productivity too, right? You could have many agents off, each running their own topology optimization or generative design job for one engineer. And I think there's definitely potential there. The thing that we have to be careful about, and companies need to be careful about, is making sure that responsibility and accountability still sits with a human, right? So you could come up with an incredible design produced by topology optimization, but you still have to make it work, right? So I think this is where we separate validation from generative design and topology optimization. I think this is great for concepting, the same way a human would come up with a new idea. But this is not validation. This is not a way to make sure that it performs the way you expect it to and qualify it for test, especially for companies. There have been some companies in the vein of simulation-driven design pushing towards the minimization of prototyping and test. That's a good initiative. I absolutely believe in that. Don't mistake generative design for that, though, because you need fault and accountability to sit with someone within engineering. The other trend that intersects this is the move away from individual accountability in engineering. So in the past, an engineer would put their signature on the drawing, and if anything happened to that part, they would go talk to that person, right? And you had a personal brand. I'm not sure brand is the right word, but reputation, there's the right word, to kind of maintain, right? So, and that kind of kept you within the normal bounds of reasonable design. Today, however, we're moving more towards groupthink design, right? Where everybody in the engineering organization gets together for project management meetings and design review meetings. Everybody weighs in, and you can leverage the collective wisdom of the entire organization. And that's good too. However, we got to be careful about moving away from, finding the one person to be accountable for that design. So this is all an emerging topic. It's an emerging field. I really do think generative design and topology optimization can have an effect on engineering ethics. I'm interested to see what the comments will be on this. That's it. Take care and talk soon.